Hey everyone, I'm Mike Kelly for Cloud Native Trainer, and today I'll be showing you how to install Git for Windows on Windows 11. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing to help me grow the channel. Right, enough of that, let's begin. First things first, let's go and open up Chrome. We want to search for Git for Windows. Want to hit the second link, so this is the git-sem.com, so Git downloading package. On download for Windows, there's two versions available. You've got the 64-bit version and the 32-bit version. For most people, it's the 64-bit version that you want, so click on the link. That'll then kick off the download. Just give that a minute to finish. Okay, let's go to the containing folder and double click on the executable. Say yes. Let's go through the installer, so click next. I'm going to install it into the default location, so program files Git. Create that folder. And then we're just going to leave all of the defaults. So let's just skip through that. We'll leave Vim as the editor. We'll let Git decide. Git for the command line and also from third-party software, which is the recommended option. Let's click on next. Use bundled OpenSSH. Use the OpenSSL library. Check out Windows style, commit Unix style line and endings. Use min-tty, that's fine. Fast forward or merge. So this is the default pull behavior for now. Let's just leave that on the default and click next. And we're going to use the Git credential manager. So next. Next again. Leave those unticked and hit install. Just give it a minute. We don't want to look at the release notes, but we do want to launch Git Bash. So let's hit finish. And there we have the default terminal which comes with Git for Windows. So if we type in git-v, we can see that we've got Git version 2.43. Now you might not want to use the Git Bash terminal, in which case we can use the Windows terminal that comes bundled with Windows 11. So if we come up to the search bar and type in terminal, enter on the top first match, this will open up the default Windows PowerShell terminal in your home directory. And if we type git-v here, we can see that we have full access to Git from the PowerShell command line as well. And that concludes the video for today. Thanks for watching.